I'm David McKinnon, Product Development Director here at Wirez. Today, we're going to talk about amplifier installation kits. So after several hours of measuring and testing, here's what we found out. At best, the PowerPro wire has 50% more resistance per meter than Wirez Tech Series. Unfortunately, at the opposite end of the spectrum, we have the iConnect cable. It has 136% more resistance per meter. The third column shows how much more resistance each of those wires has as compared to the Wirez Tech Series cable. You can see PowerPro was 47%, Raptor was 94%, DB Link was 130.7%, and there's iConnect down at the bottom at 135.9% more resistance per meter. The fourth column from the left shows the area of the wire in square inches. You can see Wirez was easily the largest at 0.245, and the Raptor was the smallest at 0.193 square inches. The column furthest to the right shows the percentage of the wire area as compared to Wirez Tech Series. It's interesting to note that the cable resistance that we measured does not correlate directly to the area of the wire. Why is this? Each wire manufacturer can specify the ratio of aluminum to copper in each of the conductor strands. More aluminum means less cost, but it also means more resistance. There's another problem with power wire that has a lot of resistance. As we pass current through a resistor, or in this case power wire, it starts to warm up. As it gets hot, the resistance increases. This compounds the problem of not being able to deliver power to your amplifier. The longer you play it, the less power it gets, the hotter it gets, and eventually all the magic smoke comes out. We took the Wirez, DB Link, iConnect, and Raptor power wire to the bench and connected them to our test rig. We set a constant current draw of roughly 65.5 amps and measured the temperature of the wire using an infrared thermometer every 30 seconds. You can see that the voltage drop across the wire steadily increases as it gets hotter. This is due to the resistance of the wire increasing with temperature. Because the wire with more resistance is generating more heat, the higher resistance wire heats up faster. In fact, over the same 10-minute period, the resistance of the Raptor wire went up 12%, the iConnect went up 10%, the DB Link went up 9%, and the Wirez only went up 7%. When we started talking about these amp kits, I mentioned that the wire was labeled as 4 gauge. Unfortunately, there is no conductor size or material content standard associated with that term, unlike there is with the AWG standard. As you can see, many of these manufacturers have taken liberties with the conductor size and the aluminum content of these kits to produce a less expensive kit that doesn't work anywhere near as well. Over a 15-foot run, as we tested and confirmed mathematically, Wirez Tech Series power wire is capable of delivering more power to your amp than any of these kits. In fact, the DB Link, Raptor, and iConnect kit wastes almost twice as much power in the wire itself as compared to Wirez Tech Series. This is a first in a series of educational and training videos from us here at Wirez. We hope you've enjoyed watching the video as much as we've enjoyed making it, and I hope that you learned something about power wire. For more information on Wirez Tech Series amp kits or any of the other fine Wirez products, please be sure to visit our website at www.gotwirez.com and be sure to like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/gotwirez.